Okay, we're going. Okay, everybody, we have Felicity. You remember Felicity? This, you had the abscess on your bottom, right?
Right.
That we drained. That's almost all healed up now, hasn't it?
It is. It's really healed.
Really good. All right,
Really good.
and obviously you're wearing a goofy mask so we can protect your identity. So that all healed up, but you came in today for a different reason, didn't you?
Yes.
Tell us what happened.
Late Sunday, I was going down the stairs in my house. And
Mm-hmm.
when I was going down the third step, I
Mhm.
fall down and I hurt my whole right
You were going
side.
down the stairs,
I was going
third
down
step
the
from the bottom,
third step
2
from the
days
bottom.
ago, right?
No, 3 days.
3 days ago.
Sundays, yeah.
Sunday, so Monday, today's Tuesday, so depends on how you
Today's
count that.
Wednesday.
No, today's only Tuesday.
Is it?
Yeah. Did you bump your head?
No.
Good,
All
'cause
I hit,
Just making sure.
No, I just was flat in my
Okay.
on my side, my
Okay.
right hand side, and on my side was
Mm-hmm.
hurt. Like
Yeah.
I was in pain.
In a lot of pain. We want to take a look at your injuries. Can you show everybody the injuries? Is that okay?
Yes.
Okay, stand up for us. Let me help you. There you go. Turn a little bit. There you are. First, let's just pull up right there, and you can see we've got some contusion here on the side. Now, we've x-rayed you, right? We x-rayed the lumbosacral spine to make sure that we didn't have any injury to the lumbar vertebrae. Why don't you unbutton and we'll show the gluteal area here. I'm going to hold you up in the middle. We want to kind of protect. You okay? All right. So you can see down here, guys, we've got a really big contusion. This is really sore. And if you look right down here, this is where Felicity's abscess was that we drained. That's almost all completely healed. So we're just real sore. We gave you a shot for pain, right?
Right.
Okay, and I'm going to give you some medicines too.
Correct.
And we're going to get you to take care of yourself and not fall.
Oh, that's something that I didn't want
Right. Well,
to happen.
falling in the home is a large source of injury for people, so we want to be careful. But it can happen to anybody,
Yes.
All
I
right.
understand that. So
Well,
I'm still in a lot of pain. But the shot is really helping me.
good. The shot's already
Yeah,
working.
it's really.
Wonderful. Did you ever picture yourself as a redhead before?
I've ever
You've got a redhead mask. All right, Felicity. Well, thanks for sharing your story with us today.
Thank you very much, Doctor.
You're welcome.
Some important Meta 7 announcement.
You want to try it again in English? Tell us about Meta 7.
Take Meta 7 once a day, and over the past, I think it's been 45 days. I'm not sure, but anyhow, I've lost about 20 pounds, from 235 down to 211, 212.
That's fantastic.
It's holding good.
Yeah. How's your energy level?
It's fine.
It's good. Okay. All right. Fantastic. Well, thanks for a little testimonial on the Meta 7.
No problem.
Good morning, Misty.
Good morning.
How are you today?
I'm doing fantastic.
How are you liking your new job?
I love you guys.
Do you really?
Yes.
So, you're the new girl,
Yeah,
right?
I'm glad I was camera ready this morning.
Yeah, you look camera ready.
Thank you.
Check out Dr. Gilmore's 7-piece kit. It's compact in size with a leather case, perfect for traveling, and available on Amazon for under $20. See link below